everyone. Today I bring you another assortment of handy home hacks and creative DIY ideas. Let's dive in. Struggling to open a soda can? Here's a clever trick that saves your nails. Use the bottom of another soda can to gently pry up the tab. The lid pops open instantly with no effort. Try it next time and let me know if it works for you. Have you ever struggled to attach a keyring, only to hurt your nails in the process? Here's a simple trick to make it effortless. Instead of struggling, slide a string through the keyring from the back, then pull it around to expand the ring. Now, you can easily attach your key without any hassle. Save this trick for when you need it. And if you find it helpful, share it with your friends. Take a round plastic lid and glue cardboard around it to form a base. Pierce small wooden sticks through the cardboard to create a stylish frame. Follow my tutorial to assemble it all together. Then place a light inside. This warm, glowing lamp will add a magical touch to your home and bring a sense of relaxation after a long day. Have you ever had trouble packing a bag of half-eaten bread? Don't worry, here's an easy way to keep your bread fresh without it. Simply twist the bag's opening a few times. Fold the excess plastic down and tuck it securely over the bread. Just like that, your bread stays soft and delicious for longer. Did you know you can make an all-natural glass cleaner using simple kitchen ingredients? Mix baking soda, water, and vinegar in the right proportions. Stir gently, pour into a spray bottle, and spray onto your glass surfaces. Wipe with a soft cloth and enjoy spotless, streak-free shine. This method not only keeps your home sparkling, but also ensures your family's safety by avoiding harsh chemicals. A small trick, but a big relief. Let's make homemade scented candles that the whole family will adore. Start by melting wax using a pan or a double boiler. Be sure to save the wick for later. Once the wax is completely melted, pour it into a glass jar and add a capful of fabric softener. You can choose any scent you love, but a concentrated one will last longer. For an extra touch, add a few cloves. They not only enhance the scent, but also help repel insects. Now, place the wick back into the center of the jar, using a stick to hold it in place. Let the wax cool and set. If you're in a hurry, pop it in the fridge. Once ready, your candle will fill the room with a delightful aroma while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Ever had trouble opening a Ziploc bag for spices, seaweed, or dried food? But don't worry, I've got a simple trick for you. Just cut both top edges near the small opening, but don't cut all the way through. Then snip one side of the Ziploc seal. Now the cut section acts as a pull tab, making it super easy to open. Bonus tip, the small hole remains intact, so you can hang the bag for neat and easy storage. Love hair accessories, but can't always find the perfect one? Why not make your own adorable bow hair clip in just 1 minute? Wrap a ribbon around your middle finger 3 times, then wrap it around both your thumb and middle finger twice. Thread the ribbon end through, pull gently, and shape it into a cute bow. Finally, attach it to a hair clip and you're done. A small bow, but a big boost to your confidence and style. Would you wear this? Let me know in the comments. Every mom and grandma wants their little ones to grow up creative and confident, right? Here's a fun painting technique using plastic bags. Just follow my video tutorial and you'll see how easy it is. In just a few minutes, your child can create a beautiful, colorful masterpiece. This simple yet fun method also helps improve their fine motor skills. Try it with your little one today and let me know how they enjoyed it. With just a few simple steps, you can create a warm and charming vintage-style flower arrangement. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of coffee in a small dish of water. Dip kitchen paper into the mixture and let it soak up the beautiful, warm brown shade of the coffee. Gently remove the paper and allow it to dry completely. This gives it a lovely antique look, evoking nostalgia and warmth. Let's shape the petals. Follow my step-by-step guide to create soft, natural-looking blooms. Use a wooden stick to attach the petals. You now have a stunning handmade floral arrangement that adds a romantic and peaceful touch to your space. Which DIY tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more homemaking hacks and creative ideas.